So what do you have to do? You can't just pick up your phone and go to an app to get a taxi or something. So you have to make phone calls, and people orchestrate carpools, and some people walk because they knew what they wanted was something better than what they had. That persistence, can you wait that long? Can you wait long enough to say, the dream was nice while I was asleep, but I'm woke now, I need to make sure I dedicate every single day to the journey, to the movement. And here's the thing about Dr. King. He was thrust into the spotlight. He didn't really want it. He was from Atlanta. He came to Alabama to do God's work and just preach. He was 26 years old, and they said, we think you'll be a great representative because you're not from here. But Dr. King did something great, but check it out. There were hundreds of people behind the scenes that never got the credit that they deserved. People like Claudette Colvin, who was 15 years old. She boycotted, or she refused to get up several months before Rosa Parks did. We know about Rosa Parks, but what about Ralph Abernathy, Dr. King's best friend? What about Joanne Robinson, who was on college campuses? She was a professor passing out flyers to everybody. We take it for granted. We can send a mass text, we can send out a line and share with everybody. These people put in groundwork for real. Can we do that? Can we dedicate ourselves to that? Edgar Daniel Nixon, Johnny Carr, Mary Louise Smith. So who was in your circle? Because Dr. King could not have done this by himself. And if we talk about the March on Washington, then we're talking about someone who also had a circle of people behind him, Bayard Rustin, like a guy who was gay at the time, and people tried to ridicule Dr. King and tried to threaten him and say, look, if you don't disassociate yourself with him, we're going to say you're gay too. Think about that. Dr. King said, I don't care what y'all think about me. I'm aligning myself with my good friend who's doing a noble cause and a noble deed. He's the person that orchestrated the March on Washington. Dr. King showed up and spoke, but we don't hear about that. See, he had a great circle of people. If you're the Dr. King in your field, do you have these people? Do you have people who are willing to do just as much as you and say, I don't care if I get the spotlight? Yeah, I'm a Jordan fan. Yeah, Jordan's the GOAT. I don't care what you say. Jordan's the GOAT. Well, Scottie Pippen, come on. Steve Kerr, Jeb Butchler, Tony Kukoc. I know everybody, man. I'm a Bulls Giants historian. Phil Jackson, Tex Winter. Come on, y'all. Who is your circle? Number 6, as we go down our list, we're getting closer and closer to number 1. As we stand here, maybe a few weeks away from the Super Bowl, Dr. King would have been a